channel. It's your girl Kay, and today guys I'm back again with a brand new video. As you guys from today's title, today guys I'm going to be starting my solo diary. So if you're ever put that video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified every single time I upload a video. Okay, cool. So in today's video, it's gonna be like different clips like from different days, but I all just made it into one whole video. So I may be popping back and forth like in and out just to tell y'all what I'm about to do next. So yeah, this video it's not all over the place, but like it's like since it's different clips and like I really didn't explain what I was finna do, I just picked up my camera and record. Like I have to come in, so get prepared for that, and I will see y'all later on in the video. So the next clip you're about to see is me finishing the flexi rods on my wig. I'm gonna reinstall it very soon, and I just wanted to, bring it back to life. The hair is wet. Wet, or should I say wash? Yeah, I washed my hair on my wig last night, and this clip is really recent because I literally did it yesterday, February 5th, and today's February 6th. So yeah, and I did like a lot of stuff today, but like majority of these clips is not from today. I feel like the end of the video is where it's gonna be like it's not from today. So yeah, as you've seen in the last clip of me like taking off the flex rods from my braids, that clip is over. I had these braids now for like a good week and a half. Clearly you see my roots, but yeah, I'm gonna take them out like very soon. But like these are what the curl, this is what the curls looking like now, but kind of dry and stuff like that. And when I got in the shower, like they kind of like dyed and stuff like that. Like this curl is like barely even there now. But yeah, I'm not gonna recurl it no time soon, but I don't know, TMI. Anyways, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do next. So Like a better view of Red Robin Young. Oh my goodness, every single time I say that, it was like my teacher from all that for a long time ago. Can I get a Beyond Meat burger? Beyond Meat burger?
Food smells good.
Food! Hold on. You chipped off my fry, but okay. You gonna get that? That's not my name, so let's take this off. Yeah. Okay. But yeah, look at my sandwich, my fries. Let's get ready to open it up. Want a bite? Want a bite? Good.